keep it. Zeus will eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got the little pokey things in the back.
Just found this turtle in my grandparents' house. Pretty big. Female.
Cool.
Zoom in a bit.
His face. There's probably 50 of them in there. Got a bunch on the bottom too.
It's my Uncle Larry.
Let's get these out of you.
Is that an empty box? Let's
Yeah.
put them in that and take them inside, and we can try to find some
Come here, little one.
pliers to get poke these out.
Got quite a few of them in here.
Decent size.
Or her, whatever it may be.
Female.
It's a female?
Yeah, it's the belly's all flat.
No, it's not. It's a gopher.
It can eat that big.
Gopher anything.
How cute. Isn't that cool? They just found it right there. I know, that's what Chris said. I just showed him.
Here you go, buddy.
Yeah. 3 more minutes, we'd have never seen it. I don't know where it came from. Gotta be somewhere
Give
close
it some
by.
food.
Mm-hmm. They're not gonna
Going
walk
right
forever
there
and
right now.
ever. I hope that wasn't what the dog was trying to get.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
How would it get out of the backyard? Though?
Oh, no, not that dog. Pitty was after something over here when we came back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I was like, there's nothing over there. Come on. So
Some
look at all the
lettuce and,
cactus. I need to try to get that out.
Grapes.
They'll pull out. It's just being able to hold on to
Has
him and
some
get it
cactus in it.
Pull it out.
and try
on
not
it.
to get bitten by him. I don't know if they bite or not.
Right there.
Probably, yeah.
They don't. Yeah.
Oh, look, he's going to see if he eats.
Yeah, it's probably somebody's pet.
Ooh, she has a big one right there on her
Yep, on
toe.
her neck. All over her poor little
All
legs.
over her
You have a
body.
little kennel, you could put it in a little kennel.
I do
Or a
have
big
one.
kennel.
Big
Yeah, I
one
have
right
one.
there.
Do you?
Big
Yeah.
needle.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You should put it in there.
See if you can pull that thorn out of his leg, Aiden.
It's okay. You're scaring it.
Not trying to. Pull hard, fast, and quick.
Here you
I
go.
got that one.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry.
Yeah, it does. It's really wow.
Pulling out some cacti out of it, off of it right now. Has a lot.
Let's put it in a box with this lettuce and bring it in.
Going to leave
We'll
it
try to
right
get
here.